Hi, we're Bud and Broadway from New Country 92.3.
And when you're tailgating, there's a right way and there's the Broadway.
The right way? And the Broadway. The right way and the Broadway. The right way.
Get over here! Check it out! Oh my God! Touchdown!
And the Broadway. I don't know what are you saying? I can't.
So when you're tailgating this year, do it the right way in an RV from
Travers St. Louis RV in O'Fallon, Missouri, or
Travers RV in Eureka, Missouri.
part of the Travers Automotive and RV Group.
Hey man, game's on. You want to watch? Had a sandwich?
Yes, I do actually.
Come on.
Yes. Oh wait.